Hello, Grammar Champs. Welcome to today's quick English fix with Mr. Victor. Today, we are playing a fast and fun game of pick the correct preposition. But wait, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between things, especially time, place, or direction. Think of words like in, on, at, under, to, from. Little words, big jobs. Alright, now that we've cleared that up, let's jump right in. Remember, your task is to pick the correct answer. The first one is, she has been waiting dash the bus stop for 20 minutes. Option A, at. Option B, in. Pick the correct answer. The correct option is at. She has been waiting at the bus stop for 20 minutes. We wait at specific locations like at the door, at the bus stop. Next, the cat is hiding dash the table. Option A, under. B, below. Pick the correct answer. The correct answer is A, under. Under is used when referring to direct physical coverage. Next, he arrived dash France last week. Option A, to. B, in. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is in. He arrived in France last week. We say arrived in for big countries or cities and arrive at for small places. Next, they jumped dash the pool together. Option A, into. Option B, onto. Choose the correct option. The correct option is into. They jumped into the pool together. You jump into water, not onto it, unless you're walking on it. Next, there was a painting dash the wall. A, on. B, over. Choose the correct option. The correct option is on. There was a painting on the wall. On the wall means it's hanging or directly placed on it. Over means it's placed above. Next, I left my keys dash the drawer. Option A, inside. Option B, over. Choose the correct option. The correct answer is inside. I left my keys inside the drawer. Keys go inside a drawer, not over it. Next, we'll meet dash noon at the cafe. Option A, on. B, at. Pick the correct option. The correct answer is at. We'll meet at noon at the cafe. Use at for specific time. For example, at noon, at 3:30, at sunrise. So, how many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Want more grammar games like this? Then hit the like, tap subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay sharp and keep prepositions in the right place.